Why choose YOLIQUE? For demo only, do not replicate. Honeycomb reinforced top, 3 better cushioning performance. 360 thick metal protection. No shifting under vibration. Pried open with force, welds stay strong. And this, proprietary patented BMS. Flawless welds and contacts, built with attention to detail. Best part, connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Real-time battery monitoring, right on your phone. 1 battery, 2 jobs, starting and deep cycle power.